What's up, rock and rollers? Thank you so much for watching Carlos TV Official. Once again, this is Carlos. Thank you again. This is my third reaction video for today. If you notice, I haven't even changed yet, but I'm very excited because another subscriber has requested me to react on another Francis Aglabtin's performance. So this time, this is Unchained Melody. So let's rock and roll. Carlos TV.
Simulan na natin ang Vocal Showdown.
Vocal Showdown.
Ang version ng Unchained Melody mula sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Good luck, Francis.
Si Francis Aglabtin.
Remember, I am your fan already. This is a very old song. Excuse me. Okay. Ah. Ang bulinggit na to, ang ganda ng boses talaga. Papasayaw ako. Ang galing. Napaka-inosente ng mukha, pero mahirit. Ang haba. Na-prolong niya yung ganung kataas na note. Okay. Yung vibrato niya sa dulo. Ang galing. Okay. Ganyan nga. Hindi pa masyadong na-impress, pero para sa akin, mas magaganda pa rin yung mga kinanta niya. Unang, sa dalawang songs sa kinanta niya. I think kaya itong kantahin na ibang bata. Pero maganda yung boses niya. Woo! Oh! What the heck? Oh! Seryoso? Narinig ko ba yun? Totoo ba yung narinig ko? Biglang boosh! Galing ng bata umirit, ay bumirit. Wow. Okay, Francis Aglabtin. You know, this is Carlos from Carlos TV Official. I am one of your fans already. Mag-ingat ka lang sa pagkakanta na medyo mababa kasi to be honest, medyo may mga kasing galing mong kumanta ng mga mabababag songs. Pero what is so unique about you is when you hit high notes and you are hitting them perfectly. Great job, Francis. Thank you for watching Carlos TV Official. Again, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Carlos TV Official. I also have a Facebook account. It's called Carlos TV. My Twitter is Carlos Solrak84. My Instagram account is Caramoan_Kamsur. Please connect with me on these social media platforms now. Thank you.